Hello and welcome to Property Take, your gateway to Africa's real estate market. Just like we promised, today I find myself at East Legon Hills, Accra, Ghana, where I'm going to be showing you this lovely 4-bedroom house with a maid's quarters, a security post, and one thing you should know is that this property is fully automated by Alexa. Don't go anywhere. Let's enjoy the beautiful facade of this building. And when I come back, I'm going to take you inside this property to show you the beauty, slickness, and elegance of this wonderful property. My name is Kwesi Desmond. This is your Property Take, your gateway to Africa's real estate market. Now, this compound for this property can pack, say, 4 to 5 cars, and so you can easily park your cars on this compound. And just like you can see, you have a wonderful spotlight feature on the front of this property, and I can tell that in the evening this property would actually give you that ambience that will relax your mind. CCTV camera check, electric fencing for the property is checked, and I want to take you to the left wing of this property where we get to see the beautiful swimming pool for this house that has a fountain feature. Come with me. Now, as you walk at the left wing of this property, you realize that you have beautiful wall lights and beautiful graviatal painting right here. And that's your lovely pool. Your pool comes with an amazing fountain feature. And so just like you can see, the water is coming out of the fountain and then it goes into the pool. Beautiful tile finishing here, and then beautiful collection of tile for the backdrop or the backsplash of this beautiful pool. And that's an amazing feature for the property. Let's go straight into the property and then I will take you on a wonderful tour. Let's go. You are welcomed by this beautiful security door. It actually has all the security features for you, and so you should know that you are secure from the outside. You have beautiful smart switches right here for your outside lights, and then this space here is acting as a foyer. So when you receive your guests, you put in some nice couches or you put in some nice chairs here, and then you can have a conversation if you don't want to welcome them into your living area. That's your powder room. In your powder room, you have a beautiful vanity, your sink, your mirror, and the WC, and so your guests should feel free and then have a good time here. I love this textured door for the powder room, and then you go straight into your living area. Wow. Wow, that's one thing I can say about the ceiling, the POP ceiling of the property. Check out the pendant light. The pendant light just resonates with the warm light that is fitted into your POP ceiling. You have your AC already fitted, and so the house comes with the AC. Beautiful TV console, wooden panel checked. You have your TV right here, and just like I mentioned earlier, this property is fully automated by Alexa, and so everything you want Alexa to do for you in this house, you are free to say, Alexa, open living room curtains. And there you go. So once the curtains is opened, you remember when I took you to the poolside area, so you can open this beautiful door right here and have access to your pool area. So just like it, you have access to your pool area. I love the choice of tile. The wooden tile here also makes it beautiful, and even the choice of tile for your living area is beautiful. The grouting for the property has been done well, and that is one thing that I want to tell the developer of this property, that kudos for working on the grouting for the property. You move quickly into the dining area of this property. Beautiful pendant light there. So if I was the owner of this property, I'll put in my dining set here. I have my dining table, and then I have my chairs around it, and every time food is ready, I'm ready to eat too. And then you have your microwave, you have your oven, you have your fridge check, tons and tons of storage space right here. And just because we wanted to keep the white texture and nature of your kitchen, so we saved you, and then we put your storeroom here. So you have your storeroom door rightfully hidden here. And I know that's a surprise to you, but you can close your mouth. You have your stove, you have your extractor, you can cook every single dish you want here. But when it comes to Kobe, please think twice. Let's go on. You have your sink right here, so you do all the washing. Beautiful marble countertop, and this is a lovely one that has been done. You have your washing machine to do all your laundry in here. And lots and lots of storage space, just like I mentioned. So everywhere you go, you can actually save something. You have your wooden countertop feature that has been put here, so that sometimes if you don't want to go to the dining area, you can have a quick breakfast with the family here before you say, bye-bye, I'm off to work. That will be all for the lower level of this property. Don't go anywhere, stay with me. Let me take you to the upper floor of this beautiful 4-bedroom house powered by Alexa. Let's go. Going to the upper floor of this property, you take the stairs here, and I can tell you that this light that has been featured into the stairs will make it very beautiful, especially for the evenings. And then you have your metallic balustrades here, and this painting is something that when I got into the property, I said, this is a wonderful piece of art. This is not wallpaper, this is a beautiful wall painting. And once you go on your stairs, it's something beautiful that you would want to actually behold. And for our elderly people, this metallic balustrade here would help you to do your crunchia to the upper floor of this property. Now, once you get to the upper floor of this property, you have this space here, that's your foyer. You can put in some 3-in-1 here to receive your visitors, or you can decide to do something here. Who is ready? Like, I'm ready, because we are about to see the first bedroom for this wonderful development. Come with me. Knock, knock. So this is the first bedroom of the property, and oh my God, I come from West Africa, and every time in West Africa when we see something, we say, oh my God, this property is actually beautiful. Curtains check, you have your spotlights, and you have your warm ambience light right there, pendant lights there, AC already fitted, you have your sockets already on the wall, and these curtains are just beautiful. How they have been put together actually makes the bedroom beautiful. Choice of tile for the bedroom is also one thing that I would commend the developer of the property for. You have your wardrobe already fitted for you, and so you just have to come in with your clothes and then you fit them into your wardrobe. And then all rooms are actually en suite. So you have your washroom here, you have a sink, a vanity, you have your mirror, and you have your WC, and this shower has actually been made well, because I can tell from here how the shower actually has been designed to slope properly. So when you have a bath, it's not going to spill over and get the whole washroom wet. What's that quote saying? It said, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I think that's a takeaway to the house. Not to forget that this property comes with a balcony. And so if you want to enjoy the beautiful scenery of the property, you can open up the balcony and stand right here and say, fresh air, you're welcome to my home. That will be for the first bedroom of the property. I'll take you straight into the other bedroom for this property. Come on in. You realize that the whole balcony stretches for the whole length. And then through this door back to the foyer for the upper floor of the property. Now, on this upper floor of the property, you also have a family area. So at the family area, pendant lights are in the ceilings, POP ceilings. You have your TV console, your TV already installed, beautiful curtains, AC has been installed, and then you have your spotlight check, sockets on the wall, and again, choice of tile is one thing that we can say it's beautiful. Let's go see the other bedrooms. I can hear some sounds from outside. It means that the balcony from here actually gives you a beautiful view of your property. And this is so relaxing. How many of you watch ASMR? Because I actually like to watch ASMR to relax myself. And that is just like having an ASMR experience because the water from the fountain actually relaxes you. You go through this walkway to the 2 bedrooms on this floor of the property. Left, right, left, right, left. I will go left. Wow, and this bedroom is just like the mirror of the other one. You have your beautiful pendant lights. Your wardrobe is already fitted. Your AC, your towel and choice of towel. Check. Beautiful curtains, spotlights are in the POP ceilings, all room en suite. And so this room actually has its washroom. So you have your WC, you have your vanity, you have your mirror and your shower, just like the other room. And the code says what? When all else fails, take a bubble bath. Let's take a bubble bath. Let's go to the 3rd bedroom for this 4-bedroom house. And that's right opposite this bedroom. And so you walk straight into the 3rd bedroom for this property. So in this bedroom, one thing I must say that I love the choice of doors. The doors are actually beautiful for each of the bedrooms. You have your wardrobe already fitted for you. You have your pendant light, AC right there on the wall. You have your curtains, your spotlights in there, and your beautiful warm ambience light that actually gives you that relaxing mood and that relaxing sensation that one would actually want to have in the bedroom where they put their heads. That's your washroom right there. And oh, every washroom actually has something to tell you. He's saying that no selfies in the bathroom. I don't think the ladies will agree, but that's what it's saying. You have your mirror, you have your vanity, you have your WC, and then you have your shower. This is a beautiful washroom, and I think that one time, maybe when you buy this property, I'll come and take a bath in the property. But you know one thing, don't go anywhere. I'm going to take you to the segment that I call Real Estate 101 before we get to see the master bedroom floor, or what I call the penthouse level of this beautiful property. Stick with me. You're still here with me on Property Take. On today's segment of Real Estate 101, we say buy real estate and wait. Don't wait to buy real estate. And this is because the appreciation rate of real estate is increasing every single minute. And that's just why you need to buy real estate. Sit in the comfort of your home and see real estate give you great returns on investment. And that will be all for Real Estate 101. Don't go anywhere. Let's go back to the home tour as we get to see the beautiful penthouse level for the wonderful 4-bedroom property that we were just viewing. Let's go. Up, I never want to come down. You go on the stairs, and that's a beautiful pendant light right there. That's a beautiful one. You go up on this property, you still have the wall painting, and then you go up, and this is the penthouse level for the property. You still have this space here like a foyer to receive maybe a few people that you close relation, you want to have a discussion, you don't want them to go into the bedroom, but this whole space, ladies and gentlemen, this whole space is for the master bedroom. And oh my God, this bedroom is actually spacious. And this is what every Ghanaian has actually been looking for. Beautiful pendants light there. Your AC is already fitted. You have your spotlight and you have your warm ambience light in the POP ceiling. You have a TV for the bedroom. Beautiful wooden panel here, TV console check, beautiful wooden towel, and I can actually say you fit in a king size, queen size with a few couches here and there, and you still have space to move around your master bedroom. I'll take you straight into the walk-in closet for your master bedroom. And this one, mom and dad, you don't need to fight because there's lots and lots of space for everyone. You have this beautiful island here, and you have this feature of a glass all over the island, and you put in your beautiful watches or car keys. What do you think we should put here? Expensive perfumes, car keys, or watches? You should tell me what you think that we should put in here. Lots of drawers here. And I can tell you that this is actually a walk-in closet for everybody. That's the washroom for the master bedroom. Oh, wow. You have a bathtub option, you have a shower option, and actually for the shower option, you actually have the rainfall shower, and that's a beautiful one. You have your water heater, and all the bedrooms we saw in this house actually have their own water heaters. You have the sink, beautiful vanity, mirror check, and you have your floating WC. And this is actually one beautiful property that we have seen. One thing you should know, that if you have a penthouse, then you should have a balcony to relax or chillax. Let's go and see the beautiful balcony for the whole penthouse floor level of this property. Come on. As I entered into the balcony at this penthouse level of the property, I can say, take me away, because I can feel fresh air. And one thing I would say kudos to the developer of the property is how they gave it this artificial astroturf grass, and then they put in your drainage holes, and so even when it rains down at the balcony, you should not even feel any bit of discomfort. You have a beautiful swing there to sit down, read a book, or maybe think about how to make your next $2 million. And that's a beautiful balcony for you. You have your glass balustrade, and so you're fully protected. And this is actually above my waistline, and so for protection, we would say that you are fully secured when you are at the balcony of this wonderful penthouse for the 4-bedroom house located at East Legon Hills. This property actually comes unfurnished. That's why you realize that there were no furnitures in there. And that will be all for the 4-bedroom house here at East Legon Hills. And just like we promised you on Property Take, we will continually, every episode, blow your minds away by touring the best properties all across Accra, Ghana, Lagos, Nigeria, and Cape Town, South Africa. Before I leave you, if you want to sponsor the program, just call the numbers on your screen and stick and stay with us every Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. right on MX24. Before I come your way next week, my name is Christian Desmond. Property Take, your gateway to Africa's real estate market. And until next week, is au revoir.